So basically, this is what we were using, or I was using, Jetboil Zip. I've still got it, and I don't intend to get rid of it. Oh my god, what's this new invention? What's this new contraption? I'm sure if any of you are interested in going ultra lightweight, that you may have seen other YouTube videos where people have made their own sort of cookset, and that's what I've done. Tokes make a 650mm pot. If you go on their website, it gives you all of the internal dimensions so you can work out which ones are the right size to hold a canister. It comes in this bag. Several people I've seen have claimed that that's a complete unnecessary piece of weight. I think it stops it from rattling, getting marked up and dented. It doesn't weigh that much. I'm not that anal about it. Just to show with the Jetboil, because it's such a big canister, we don't tend to use it as a mug as well, so we do actually take little mugs with us as well. And this is Trev's Jetboil and his mug, and this is my whole cook pot, boiler and mug and everything all in one. Cook pot, fold out handle, lovely. The lid, wonderful. Inside it, I've got my BRS titanium stove head, very small and lightweight, all folds out. I'll show you that working in just a second. One Bic lighter and one canister. Try not to get it cross-threaded, otherwise that'll be the whole adventure over. Points to note, it doesn't lock on to the pot, which I think is a downside. The pot doesn't have any heatsink plate on the bottom to help it absorb heat quicker, more efficiently, and there's no windshield. So these are all major down points, but these are the compromises you make for space and weight inside your pack. I have tested it at home. It is quite an aggressive burn. So I'm going to put some water in my mug to make a coffee. I'm not going to go crazy because it is quite a big mug.
Bubbling fair now?
Yeah.
It's boiling?
We're there.
It wasn't too bad, was it?
It wasn't too bad, but given the noise and the heat coming out from around the outside on the inside of my legs, I'd say it's nowhere near as efficient. And obviously I don't think as well that adding the powder to the water mixes as well as putting the water into the powder.
Right.
For some reason, because this is lumpy to say the least.
Well, I must admit that I thought it was going to be a bit more of an ordeal getting it lit and staying alight than it was.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it catches light all right, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It's quite aggressive, isn't it?
It is, kicking it out enough to keep it lit. Can you turn it up and down?
Oh, yeah. You could use less gas than that, but I just wanted a coffee quick. The thing is like, it would take longer to get warm, so is it actually saving anything? Well, that's piping hot. The handles are still cold enough to hold. So there you have it, the first coffee with the BRS stove in my new Tokes titanium cook pot. Yeah, that wasn't too bad, I can stomach that. Let's see how it works for a couple of excursions. I'm sure in the worst weather in the winter it probably won't be as efficient. But it's so compact that it'll easily fit inside my day pack without sort of encroaching. Maybe that's what this is. Maybe this is like going to be my new day pack stove if I want a coffee when I'm out on a day hike. Who knows?